2021 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 Duramax with just shy of 25,000 miles. Hi everyone, my name is Carter and I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. I love these trucks. I buy every one I can get my hands on. Factory lift kits, factory suspension. They're a really awesome off-roader. They have locking front and rear diffs. If you're into off-roading, if you're into four-wheel driving, you know that's the good stuff. They got the reserve suspension. This is the Colorado version of our competitor to the Ford Raptor. 5.5 foot bed, or 5.5 foot. Yeah, just ready to turn 25,000 miles. The tires are deep. We just changed the oil. Carfax has 3 owners. If you look closely at the paperwork, you see it's just the dealer transferring title. So it's actually a 1 owner, out of Canada. Got full factory warranty, bumper to bumper, plus the drivetrain. Clear Carfax, no accidents. We just did an oil change on it. Heated seats, remote start. I really like that small Duramax. It's been really good on fuel, good power. Wireless charge pad, which is hard to get in 21 with the auto shortage. Heated steering wheel, trailer brake, spray and liner, tonneau cover, tow package. Just a really nice truck. It could go into any showroom in the country. Let's talk about that warranty. You can extend that warranty very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved at our website, the AutoramaAuto.com. That's AutoramaAuto.com, and we can have you in and out of here under 20 minutes. That's right. You don't have to stay here all day. Getting approved is what takes a long time, so do it ahead of time. There's no commitment. You come in, you test drive it, you like it, you love it, you want to leave with it. We know exactly what to do. In and out, 20 minutes. Also, you're going to find these advertised cheaper by dealers who hide their fees. We do not have hidden fees. Price you see, price you pay, drive it away. Price you see, price you pay, drive it away. We do have a $145 dock fee. And guess what? Corey, give these folks a free dock fee. That's our finance guy. So price you see, price you pay, drive it away. So recap, 21, ZR2, heated leather, 4x4, 24,900 miles, 1 owner, clear Carfax, fresh oil change, no hidden fees, fast financing. That is the Autorama advantage. Come and experience it.